Good evening, dear students. Today there is a magic show from Viz Club. That Olympiad you have already done. So today there is a magic show for all students, and now I am going to explain how to open that magic show. Okay, just check in your email. There is one email came to you from Viz Club like this, which is on my screen. Like this email was there in your Gmail, in which it is written that from Viz Club Summer Workshop portal, there is everything like login credential is there, username is there, password is there. So this you have to open. Okay, and in the next there is portal URL. One link is there. What you have to do, you have to simply click on this link. Okay, when you will click on this link, see, as I have already logged in, so if they will tell you to log in their ID and password, then you have to take your this login ID and password, which is there. Like for example, here it is written username Amrit 485619 OCP. This username you have to take. You have to take yours one. It's for example only. Okay, you have to check in your email. Some different username is there. Okay, and some different password will be there. So you have to take your username and your temporary password. That only you have to put in this portal URL. When you will click this portal URL, when you will click this, I am going to click see here. Okay, and after filling username and password from that email, this page will come to you. Viz Club, this Viz community, this page will come to you. Now what you have to do, you have to scroll down and there will be some projects. You can also start from here. 3 lines are here at top. Just click on these 3 lines and here it is written events. You can click on this events. Okay, I'm just going to click. So see, in this event now it is going on this chess event was there, and when you will do next, see, at the next there is one Viz quiz passed. Again I am going to do next. There is one magic show. See, here is one magic show. You have to log in to join. Okay, here I am clicking login to join. So here also they are asking for username and password. So just fill your username, whatever your username is there. I am going to take that username from email ID. What is this? Amrit 4856. Let me fill this. Amrit 4856. Sorry, 56. Just wait. 4856, then it is 19 OCP. 19 OCP. This is username. Next you have to write password. Just see there in your email. Password will be QWERTY1. So just put same password QWERTY1. Sign in. Okay. Okay. If it is coming, then you have to just write here forget your password. You can do forget your password. Okay, and here one new password will be there. You have to fill your username. Like this username I have filled. So reset my password. I am doing reset my password. So okay, there will be a code or new password again in your email. You have to check that password into your email, and that you have to fill here. Okay, so I am going to just fill. Let me check from email. Okay students, in your email one message will come to you like this. Your verification code is this one, 689007. So you just have to copy this, or if you want to remember also you can. 689007. I am going to fill 689007. This is only, no, 689007. Yes, new password you can arrange anyone if you want, but that password must be strong. So I am just here going to write any password, for example RAN, for example 123 @ okay, an example, any password you can take. Enter new password again. in capital letter RAN123 @. So you can apply your password also if you want. Next, change password. Okay, then next will come, just wait for a while. Okay, password must contain lowercase letter. Okay, we have just used uppercase letter, so use lowercase letter only. I am taking RAN123 @. Use lowercase letter. Okay, don't use capital letter. RAN123 @. Must contain an uppercase also. Okay, use one uppercase also. Use capital R. Here also use capital R. Now it's okay. Change password. So means you have to use one that uppercase and other lowercase, plus you have to, like I am able there one, I am written there 123 @ that you can write also. Okay, so sign in with your username and password. Now you have to check in your username, that username which come in your email, that username you have to fill. So I am going to fill here my username. You also just check your email and take your username and password from there. So students, you have to fill username and password same as firstly the username which you got from the new email ID. Okay, that for the magic show, that same email ID you have to fill there, and password, which new password you have updated, that new password you have to fill there. Okay, so now you are able to join your that show. How? Just click on these three dots at the top. Here you are having events. Okay, just click on this event, and here you will come to know about your magic show. Just scroll and see your magic show. Okay, and in your magic show you have to click to join with Zoom. Okay, with Zoom you can use just once. Here you are able to use your magic show. You can see your magic show. Okay students, thank you so much.